In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in Microsoft Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and then open the worksheet you want to print. This could be a report, a budget, a schedule, or any spreadsheet you've been working on. Before you print, it's always a good idea to quickly look over the sheet so you know exactly what you want to send to the printer. Next, go to the Print menu. To do that, click File in the top left corner of Excel, then select Print from the menu. If you want a faster method, you can also press Ctrl and P on your keyboard. This opens the print screen where you'll find all the main printing options in one place. Once you're there, choose your printer. In the printer section, select the printer you want to use. If you have more than one printer connected, make sure you pick the correct one before continuing. If you don't want a paper copy and would rather save the spreadsheet digitally, you can choose a PDF printer and save the file as a PDF instead. After that, set your print options based on what you need. You can choose Print Active Sheets if you only want to print the worksheet you're currently viewing. If you want every sheet in the Excel file printed, select Print Entire Workbook. If you only need a specific area, use Print Selection, which prints just the cells you've highlighted. You can also choose specific pages if you don't want to print the whole document. This helps avoid wasting paper and makes sure you only print what's necessary. Next, adjust the layout if needed. This step is optional, but it can make a big difference in how your spreadsheet looks on paper. Choose the orientation that works best for your content. Portrait is usually better for narrower sheets, while landscape works well for wider tables. You can also set your margins to normal, wide, or narrow depending on how much space you want around the edges. Then check the scaling options. If your spreadsheet is too wide or too long, scaling can help fit it neatly on the page. For example, you might choose an option like Fit all columns on one page, so your data is easier to read. Finally, look at the print preview on the right side of the screen. This is where you can confirm that everything fits properly and is readable before you print. Take a moment to make sure nothing is cut off and that the layout looks the way you expect. And that's how to print in Microsoft Excel.